What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Xman & Co. Today we're gonna make a beautiful chicken potjie. Stay tuned. In South Africa, a potjiekos literally translates to small pot food. This is a dish prepared outdoors. It's traditionally cooked in a cast iron 3-legged pot, descended from a Dutch oven, and brought from the Netherlands around the 17th century. But let me not bore you, let's get straight to this cook. We've got a variety of spices and ingredients here today. As always, I'll leave the amounts for you in the description below. Over here we've got a selection of spices. We've got some dried fruit here, some onions, potatoes, mushrooms, some mealies. We've got a beautiful wine here. We've got sweet potato, selection of white and red onions. We've got garlic cloves, bay leaves, some thyme and some stock. Without further ado, let's start this potjie. As always, you need to trim your meat, so let's do that first. Your butcher might do this for you. If he hasn't, just go through your meat. Make sure if there's any excess fat that you wouldn't want on your meat, just remove that. You can use any cut of chicken. We just prefer the thighs and the drumsticks. Next thing we need to do is prepare all our vegetables. You can cut the onions any way you like. We like it cut in big chunks. Remember, it's gonna cook for about an hour and a half, so you don't want to cut it too small, as the onions would just disappear. Just make sure that your oil is nicely distributed, so your whole potjie can warm up and not be sticky. We want this oil to heat up, and then we're going to add the onions. We're going to add some crushed garlic and 3 cloves of garlic. Our onions. You want to brown your onions a bit. And then we're going to add our chicken. While we wait for the onions to brown, I'd like to share something with you guys. If you haven't seen my oxtail potjie yet, you can see that each potjie has got a size, a number on top, and that indicates the size of the pot. Now, a very interesting fact, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 rings over here, and if you multiply the rings with the number on top, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 times 8, 32 servings. How's that? So at the bottom here, if you would only fill your potjie with all your ingredients to the first ring, there'll be 8 servings. That's obviously small servings, but that's how they've worked it out. I hope you like this and you can use this in future. We want to cut our mealies as well. I always mention it, be careful of sharp knives. Just small discs like these are perfect. We got our mushrooms here. We don't want to cut them too small, just going to cut them in half. We like our vegetables chunky. If you don't like it this way, cut it smaller. It's all about what you enjoy at the end of the day. We also need to prepare our sweet potato. I'm going to go straight down the middle. You want to try and cut these the same size as your small potatoes, your regular potatoes. We like to keep the skin on. We did clean it. The skin's got lots of nutrition. We're going to add some bay leaves, also the rest of our spices. A little bit of thyme. Then we're just going to mix that up a bit. I think the onions have browned enough. Now it's time for our chicken. 4.5 pounds of chicken here today. For the local guys, about 2 kilograms of chicken. You can see there's not much moisture in here at the moment, as I want to just make sure that the chicken is nicely seared, if you may. From now on in, now that the chicken is seared, we're going to start adding our vegetables. You can use your timer. It's about an hour, 20 minutes, hour 30. That's as long as this cook's going to take. It's a brilliant dish for family and friends, and so easy to maintain. You don't want high heat, you want a medium heat. Other thing about a traditional potjiekos in South Africa, you don't stir. This is the last time we've stirred now. Now we're going to move away from that. Hope you enjoy the video. We're going to add about half a bottle of white wine. If you prefer not to use a wine or alcohol, you could use water or any other liquid you feel going to bring flavors to you. Officially, we don't stir anymore. You can now add your onions. You can add your small potatoes. I like to just layer them. You're not stirring, you're just spreading it nicely out. Your sweet potatoes. At this stage, that's all we're going to add. To supplement to the wine, I'm going to add 2 glasses of water. We've got potatoes in here and they'll definitely take up some of the water. Now's the first time that you're going to close the lid of this potjie. Guys, this is about 30 minutes into the cook. We're adding the mealies and we've got a stretch of about 40 to 50 minutes to go. It's been about 50 minutes into our cook. Let's have a look. Oh, beautiful. I think it's time for our mushrooms. You can spread them evenly. Then our dried peaches. This is a nice twist to this dish. Gonna make it nice and sweet and tangy. That's beautiful. I'm also gonna add 2 stock cubes. Gonna try and make sure the stock cubes reaches the water. Everything doesn't have to be under the water, remember that? It's part of the potjie process. So we got 25 minutes left of this cook. One more ingredient to add right at the end, and that is our mushroom powder. See you guys in a bit. Guys, if you're still watching this video, you obviously enjoy our content. Consider subscribing, smash that button, make sure you're part of the cool kids. There's about 10 minutes left of this cook and we're going to add our mushroom soup now. Just to thicken up the sauce. You can see I'm not stirring, just making sure the sauce goes through the whole pot. Guys, it's been 1 hour 20 and I think this chicken potjie is perfect. It's ready. Let's dig in. As you guys can see, we haven't stirred the potjie. That's a perfect traditional South African chicken potjie. We've got some rice here today. You could use sump, you could use maize meal if you want, whatever you like your potjie with. Traditionally, it's either sump or rice. We're going to go with rice today. A generous helping of rice. Right guys, let's get some potjie. So I'm just going to get a little bit of everything here. There we got some onions, potato, some mealies, mushrooms, and then obviously the star of the show, our chicken. Right guys, you can see the potatoes. Look how easy it is to cut. Mushrooms, look there. It's really soft. Look at the chicken, it's actually falling apart. You don't even need a knife. This is a perfect chicken potjie. Look at that. That's beautiful. Guys, that's a big bite, but this is the only way to do a chicken potjie. You must enjoy. Cheers. This is delicious. I can do this every day. Guys, you should try this out. This is beautiful. The sweetness from those peaches are just amazing. I can taste a little bit of garlic. All those spices really came together. This is a traditional chicken potjie. We didn't stir it. That's very important. All you need to do, enjoy it, make it at home, definitely for friends and family. Guys, like always, if you like what you're doing, like, share, subscribe, enable those notifications so you get notified as soon as we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. We can't do it without you. See you in the next one. Cheers.